Hi, this video is on expanding brackets. By the end of this video you should know what expanding brackets means and how to do it. So here's a question. What does 3 bracket a plus 2 mean? Well, 3 outside of a plus 2 means a plus 2 plus a plus 2 plus a plus 2. It means we do it 3 times. So I count up all my a's to simplify it, and I end up with 3 a's, and then I count up all my 2's, and I end up with 6. So 3 outside of a plus 2 means 3a plus 6. This is a long process. Let's look at one that's even longer. What does 9 outside of b plus 2 mean? Well, it means b plus 2 plus b plus 2 plus b plus 2 plus b plus 2 all the way up 9 times. What I do next is I get all my b's together and I have 9 of them, and then I add up all my 2's and I have 9 2's, which will give me 18. So 9 outside of b plus 2 means 9b plus 18. There has to be an easier way, and mathematicians have found an easier way. It's called expanding the brackets. So what does expanding brackets look like? Well, expanding brackets means to rewrite an expression without the brackets. We expand brackets by multiplying the term that's outside the bracket by each term inside the bracket. Let's take a look at 2 examples. Here, the first one, I have 3 outside of a plus 1. I'm going to multiply 3 lots of a, and then I'm going to add 3 lots of 1. That's me multiplying the outside term by each of the terms inside. Now I can simplify. 3 times a is 3a, and 3 times 1 is 3. So 3 outside of a plus 1 is the same as 3a plus 3. Let's look at 5 outside of 2 plus b, the second example. We start off by multiplying 5 lots of 2 and then adding 5 lots of b. What we end up getting is 5 lots of 2, which is 10, and 5 lots of b, which is 5b. So 5 outside of 2 plus b is 10 plus 5b. It's the most simplified way of doing it. I'm going to give you 5 examples to do for yourself and see what you can do. Pause the video and give them a go. Okay, I hope you gave them a go. Here are our answers. When I show my working out, I'm not going to show that line with all the time symbols in it. I want to expand as quickly as I can. So I'm going to begin by doing 8 times c, which is 8c, and then plussing 8 times 2, which is 16. I plus because inside the bracket there is a plus symbol. For b, I'd start off with 2 times n, which is 2n. Then I subtract 2 times m, which gives me 2m. For the next one, 6 times 10 is 60. Then I'm going to add 6 times b, which is 6b. Notice I don't have any time symbols on my sheet right now. That's because I'm not going to do that line of working out. That line of working out was only so that you could see what I was doing when I multiplied. For d, I do g times 2, which is 2g. Remember, the number has to go out the front. Then I'm going to add g lots of h, and when we multiply 2 letters together, we just write them next to each other without the time symbol. For my last example, I've got 2e lots of f, which is 2ef. I just write them all next to each other. Then I'm going to subtract 2e lots of v, which is 2ev. Those are all the questions expanded and in a simplified manner. So what should you write? Well, this sheet on what expanding brackets is, as well as the 2 basic examples, is a good way to start. So pause the video and write that down, and then move on to expanding the brackets with our 5 examples with the working out and the answers. And that's it. Hopefully by now you know how to expand the brackets and how to multiply the outside term by the inside term. Good luck.